Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a few days. I've been kind of offline for the last few days. I feel like the beginning of the whole trip, I was doing quite a lot of video, a lot of recording, a lot of vlogging. So I thought I'd take a little break. Met a few nice people, met a group of guys in Kyoto, hung out on New Year. On the way to Mount Fuji, I met a girl from LA, so we hung out in Mount Fuji, went and visited the Outlook Pagoda. Had a cool time in Mount Fuji. It was really nice. Stayed in a really lovely hostel there. So finished up in Mount Fuji and I'm now back in Tokyo. Yeah, I arrived in Tokyo this afternoon and checked into Art Shelter Hostel just around the corner. I've just come out of there now and I'm on my way to the Kawasaki Amusement House, which is an amusement arcade based on the old walled city in Hong Kong. So there used to be this old walled city back in the, I believe it was the 80s, early 90s, and the walled city was a very highly condensed, populated area in Hong Kong. In there, it seems like there was a lot of crime that took place. The police didn't enter that area, so it seems like it was kind of a no-law zone. A lot of drug dealing, counterfeit goods, I imagine prostitution. So there's actually an arcade in Japan, an amusement arcade, which is based on the old walled city in Hong Kong. But that's where I'm on my way to now. I don't think I'll be allowed to record the GoPro in there, so I'll have to be very subtle for the footage. Oh, here we go. Alright, let's get a ticket here. Just missed the train. So guys, I thought I'd take this moment to update you on some life happenings while I've been traveling around Japan. I've had my ups and downs, I've had some setbacks before, during the trip. We've got another situation back in Sydney. So today on the bus back from Mount Fuji to Tokyo, I was able to get Wi-Fi on the bus. Check my email, and the last email that I received was from the property landlord back in Sydney telling me that I have 14 days to get all my stuff and get out of the apartment. Total disaster, absolute nightmare. It was because of the Airbnb guests that I had staying over New Year. The keys that I left for them were stolen. The guests couldn't get in, reported it to the property manager, and they have now evicted me and my flatmate. So we both have to get out of the apartment by the, I think it's the 19th, for 2 weeks to get out. When I'm traveling, I want to show the true side of traveling. You know, the ups and the downs of the trip. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. Head into a local eatery. Seems to be quite a bit around here anyway. Seems quite lively. It's very tough not being able to speak a word of Japanese because I don't even know types of food that are on offer inside. This place looks alright down here. Sushi bar. Kind of a weird, sketchy vibe going on right now. So I've pretty much tried every single one of those restaurants back in that little arcade of restaurants and bars. Not one of them would let me come in and have food. I got the old cross whenever I walked in the door. The old Japanese cross of not allowed to eat here. The first one I went into, they said it's full, even though there was more than enough room for just one person. Second place, I couldn't converse with them, but they were giving me the vibe that I wasn't allowed to be there. Third place I did go into was an Italian place, but I don't want to eat Italian on my last night in Tokyo. The last place I went into, I just got a cross as soon as I walked in the door, so I wasn't allowed to go in there. So there's a Kitchen Origin here. It looks a bit more commercial, and hopefully I'm allowed to go in. Everywhere else is giving me the old Japanese cross, so let's go in here. Alright guys, so this thing's a little bit of a buffet. Pick what you want, put it in a dish. Chocolate rice, some mackerel. Alright guys, just got all that for about $13 Australian. They do this by weight, this one, and then these are just priced. And then I got a little drink as well. This is probably the worst meal I've had in Japan by far. This is actually liver, which I don't particularly like, but this whatever sauce is on it, it just intensifies the flavor and it's not great. This I'm not exactly sure. I think it's seafood and cheese. It's cold and super greasy. This is a cold meatball. This is probably the best thing on the menu. This is chicken, mostly batter. The thing that got me was the drink. Have you ever been to a house party? And it's getting a bit on in the night, it's a bit late. Is half a beer or the beer that you've been drinking. Pick up the beer and you take a swig. And you instantly realise that it has been used as an ashtray, like people's cigarettes, to go in top. They've managed to bottle that flavour and sell it in Japan. I don't know how they've done it. But this, if you find this in a store, please pick it up, drink it, and tell me that is not exactly what it tastes like. I thought I was going to wash down a terrible meal with some fruity, maybe quite sweet drink. I got my mind filled up with flashbacks of house parties of when I drank the can with the cigarette in it. Alright, I think we're done here. I'm not going down that easily. I might get knocked down by this bus, who knows. Alright, I'm going to get the arcade up on my phone and we're going to head down to the arcade now. Just trying to navigate through these windy little side streets. Follow trusty old Google Maps. Something to wash that taste of ashtray out of my mouth. Yes. Yes.
Overall?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. YouTube.
YouTube, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll make sure you get a mention. Do you have Instagram?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tag you.
Okay. Really?
And
Sightseeing? Really?
traveling around, yeah. It's my last night in Tokyo. Where are you guys going?
Oh, we just got a home right here.
Oh, nice.
For 1 minute.
Thanks, guys. All right.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Enjoy your drinks.
Yeah.
See ya.
Good night.
Alright guys, so just arrived here at Warehouse Kawasaki. I've just jumped onto the iPhone, put the GoPro away. Looks pretty cool from the outside. Kawasaki Warehouse. Looks pretty cool. Whoa. Boom, and there you go, a little walk around. Pretty cool inside, it's just a big arcade house. Lots of machines, lots of pool tables, dartboard, people playing all sorts of things, and I shot it all on my iPhone, so that was pretty good. Probably only took an hour to walk around. I walked around it once and then I was like, okay, I actually should film and walk around it again. Alright guys, so that's just finished up in the Warehouse Kawasaki. Warehouse is based on Kowloon Walled City. So that's that done. That's that vlog done for the day. Oh, look at this. This is just a laundry place with style. That place has got some serious style kicking it. So that's me done for the night. By 10 p.m. here in Tokyo. 2 weeks traveling, you know, it really isn't that long. You know, some mornings I wake up when I'm traveling and I'm like, oh, I'm just done with it. You know, even over the course of 2 weeks, it can be tough. However, like right now, for instance, you know, the day's coming to an end and I don't want to do anything but travel. So it just varies, you know, with how you feel. I think if you are doing long-term travel, always try and think about what you would be doing if you weren't traveling, and that's what I always do. If I'm like not really enjoying it, I'm like, well, you know, if I wasn't doing this, what else would I be doing? I'd be working. I'd be, you know, at home doing nothing really. If you are doing an extended trip, don't let those moments get to you too much. Just push past it, and you know, you will have better experiences. The days will get better. So alright guys, that's me. I'm gonna head back to the hostel, and in the morning I will get myself to the fish markets. That's the plan. So I'm just gonna make it back to the station here. Train line's just over there. Yeah, so thanks again guys for watching. You know, I really appreciate you watching these videos. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe, like, follow, boom. Good night.
Closing my shroud in my vision.